equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure your Dyson V11 is unplugged. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws on the aniclo. Keep them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pull the aniclo away from the main body. Check for any debris or blockages inside. A clean vacuum performs better. If you notice any dirt, use a soft brush to clean the internal components. Now, take your new aniclo and align it with the main body. Push it in firmly until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely. Remember, a professional diagnosis without obligation is available if you encounter issues. If you prefer, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple service. Always ask for a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Your Dyson V11 will be back to its best in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.